Hi everyone, today I'm showing you how to make a bird of paradise nail design. First, use clear nail polish to protect your nail. Then prepare white on polish. This makes color to show up better. I'm used two colors, clear polish and sun kiss. Start dropping the first clear color. Then drop the sun kiss color. Keep dropping a few rings. Now I make a design. I like the pattern have more detail. Choose vertical pattern. Put your nail into the area. Clean up the polish around the nail. This is the finished design. Continue to make another finger design. Use the clear and sun kiss. Each time you pick up the area will have a different design. I move the glass to pick up the best design. I like it. Then put my nail into the area. Thank you for your watching. I wish you enjoy it.